It's 1805, the temperature is 20 degrees, and your stomach hasn't felt a solid meal in 4 days. Your hands are numb, your vision is blurring, and you only have one lead ball left in your pouch. If you miss this shot, you don't just go hungry, you die. Welcome to a world where survival isn't a choice. It's a constant battle. There are no grocery stores, no canned goods, and no backup. Today you are miles away from the nearest settlement. To see tomorrow's sunrise, you must become the apex predator of these frozen woods. Let's see if you have what it takes to survive the hunt of 1805. Look down, those are elk tracks, fresh, but even the snow is your enemy here. Every crunch under your boots is a warning signal to every living thing within a mile. In 1805, silence is your most valuable weapon. You have to move with the wind, or your scent will give you away before you even see your prey. This isn't a modern rifle. This is a flintlock. If a single drop of moisture touches your gunpowder, the spark won't ignite. You'll be standing there with a useless piece of wood and iron while your dinner runs away. One shot. That's all the technology of 1805 gives you. There he is. Don't breathe. Your heart is hammering against your ribs, but your hands must be steady. Aim for the vitals. If he runs now, you won't have the strength to chase him. It's now or never. 3, 2, 1. You survived today, but in 1805, the hunt starts all over again tomorrow. Could you have handled the pressure, or would the wilderness have claimed you? Tell me in the comments. And if you want to experience more moments from history, hit that subscribe button. You're going to need it for the next journey.